instructor for the UNF Corporate Supply Chain Certificates. I've had many years experience as a volunteer for ASCM, and ASCM is the Association for Supply Chain Management. Actually over 20 years experience. My experience started out in South Africa, where I eventually became the chair of the International Channel Partner in South Africa, and more recently I have been the chair of the ASCM's RISC Innovation and Strategy Committee, headquartered in Chicago. I've also had experience as a staff member for ASCM, and from 2001 through 2008, early 2008, I became the Director for International Development for ASCM, where we increased the accessibility to APICS exams from 24 countries to over 40 countries in the space of 8 years. It was a great opportunity and experience to be able to work internally within ASCM. And for those of you who don't know, ASCM was formerly known as APICS. I have several of the APICS certifications. I have the APICS CPIM, the APICS CSCP certifications, as well as the APICS SCOR-P endorsement. The AST&Ls, which is the American Society for Transportation and Logistics, AST&Ls PLS certification, and also the Demand Driven Institute's CDDP, which is the Certified Demand Driven Planner certificate from ICEA. I am an APICS Recognised Instructor, and as an APICS Recognised Instructor, I've had the pleasure of being able to deliver many APICS related courses, including simulation, to companies like GKN Aerospace, GKN Sintermetals, Albea, ESSILOR, as well as the UN. This has taken me through several countries, through Europe, Africa, as well as South America, and of course including several states within the US. My background is in ERP system implementation, and through the ERP system implementations, the project that we delivered, all of our consultants had some kind of experience with supply chain, either through training and education or through real life experience. And we did many projects in several different industry verticals. So we've done projects in pharmaceutical, manufacturing, electronic, and even mining, as well as leisure and hospitality industries as well. It's a pleasure and a privilege to be able to bring to you the UNF Corporate Supply Chain Certificate.